warm welcome to the 3rd Eastern India Information Technology Fair 2012. So we'll wait for our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Partho Chatterjee. He will join us lately because he's mid of the assembly session. So now we'll start the session without any further delay. So I would welcome Sri Susanto Majumdar. He is Secretary in Charge, IT, Government of West Bengal, and Prabir Kumar Das, MD Webel, and Manjit Naik, Additional Director STPI, Government of India. Mr. Hari, President Compass, is going to join us in soon. Sri Bhandari, MD Supertron Electronics, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of War India, I have pleasure in welcoming you to 3rd Eastern India Information Technology 2012. So what is War India? War India is an IT magazine. It is a frontline IT magazine, the most popular magazine in the B2B segment in the country. It has grown from strength to strength with its presence, print circulation of 26,000 in the country, and our online business has created the mouthpiece of Indian IT and telecom industry with a monthly hits of 10 million readers, and I compliment the Indian industry houses who has shown the interest for experiencing War India through their mobile apps. So on popular demand, we have brought out a user-friendly mobile version, and now you can see warindia.com in your mobile for updating the information in real time. So we are into this, also arranging the event from last decade. War India website carries latest news, views, analysis on daily basis, which reaches to 4 lakh subscribers a day. So we keep the IT industry updated with the latest development through our techno-blogging services and War Webcast. The SME business market in India is large and bubbling with newer opportunities. Increasing purchasing power and consumerism is what derives the business scenario in India. Thus, there is an opportunity for competitive advantage that can benefit investors and entrepreneurs to large extent. And investment in any best small business opportunity promises lucrative returns and success in less time.